got here, these are what we manufactured. Some square tubing, some flat steel, and some angle iron. And we put, let me turn this other one over here, it'll be easier to see with the light on it. This is a vibration pad. Amazon, they weren't very much. We cut them in half. So they came with 4, you ended up getting 8 because we cut them in half. That's a grade 8 bolt, 3/8 by, I want to say 16. This is rooftop caulking. Some of the better stuff. Same stuff we use on the roof, things like that. It's designed for RV roofs. And we got them down here. Now you'll see a gap here. That's because the weld behind it is kicking out that washer. That's all that is. So if I can get in there a little closer, see the gap? It's tight, as you can see. It's squishing that down really well. That will help us with that. Let me back up. Now what we're going to do here next is this piece here to the other side over there. We're going to run a piece of angle, measure it, get it where we want it, and then weld it in place. And that is what's going to hold our Mr. Cool condenser, which is over there. That's the 12K version. This is the DIY ones. So there we go. That's where we're at.
Enjoying your work?
Yeah. Are we ready?
Yes.
Oh. Okay. That's the Mr. Cool. Mr. Cool makes all kinds of DIY versions. But you have to get the DIY version. And when you do, make sure you get the one that has just one air handler. Because that's the one that's 120 volts. I made the mistake of ordering the one with 2 air handlers, not realizing that was 240. So the biggest reason we went with it is it's a DIYer. It's advertised as a DIYer. Everything's charged, and that's how it's set up. So because everything's set at the right length, because it's designed to be a DIYer, that's why I went with it. I don't know that it was any more expensive than any of the other ones. Maybe it was. Don't know. I don't know anything about the stuff to begin with. But 2 biggest reasons, it says DIY and 120 volts. And it's still more than we're going to need. That's like 1200K unit. So that's it. And the only reason half of it's installed now is because we needed to get it mounted before we did the spray insulation. We'll install the other half after we get about halfway through the build on the inside, which shouldn't take nearly as long as the other stuff, because woodworking I know a little bit out. Welding, nothing. So that's why we went with Mr. Cool. Not that we're advertising for Mr. Cool. So yeah. Oh, she's waving to me. Oh, so stay nerdy, my friends.